In this video I will show you how you can supercharge your trading with trading robot. So let's get to it. But before I do that, if you want to do what I'm doing with Pocket Option, use the first link that you find below the video and you can sign up to Pocket Option today with my link and you get 50% extra if you deposit more than $100. Also, if you have a account from before, you can just close it down, withdraw your money first of course, and then re-deposit with a new email and you can have 50% extra by using my link. Also, if you want to copy my trades, link number 2. Okay, so now let's get to it. I will show you how you can supercharge your trading with trading robot. So now let's see, let's take a trade with this iRobot. Let's take $1,000 trade. We just push this trading here and there. Now we just need to wait for a few seconds, and there you have it. We made $730 in matter of just 5 seconds. That's how easy you can use trading to take your trades. Of course, I will suggest you to take a little longer. I was not aware that first of all you should not take a 74% trade. You should go over here, choose one of the ones that have 92. That's the first thing you should do. Second thing you should do, you should change so the trading have a longer time to take the trade. A few seconds is not enough, you should have a little more. But all in all, we made money, so you can't complain. So use the first link down below the video if you want to use this iRobot, and if you just want to copy my trades, just use link number 2. With that, have an amazing day.